Now, today's topic is living life in balance. First, I'll little bit talk about it, and then we do a 15 minutes process how to balance our emotions and our body. So, all emotions are processed in the mind and stored in the body. So, mind and body are linked. And when we want to, since all the emotions are stored in the body, so that is why we work with the body to process the emotions as well. Living, when we live life in balance, then that is the time we are able to feel the love, peace, and harmony and happiness in our life. However, when we are not in balance, then we feel the negative emotions like stress, anxiety, fear, excessive sadness, grief. All the emotions, whether it be positive or it be negative, are required for a functional adult. So my favorite example is if a car is coming and I don't have fear and I cross the road, so probably I will meet with an accident, which is not good for a functional adult. So all emotions are required in the body. However, it has to be optimum amount. But it's a natural tendency of human to avoid pain and always want to be in a happy state. And the more we avoid something, the more it has a grip on our life. So then what is the answer? Then what we should do? So these positive emotions and negative emotion, these are two polarities like night and day. If so, it is inevitable. If there's day, then the next cycle will be night, and when it is night, then the next cycle will be day. It is inevitable. But if we try to be in one, like only day and not night, it is a futile exercise, and it is also not good for us, because there are some countries in which they experience 6 months night and 6 months day. So that is also not good for the circadian rhythm of the body. The moment we accept the negative emotions, then it loses its grip on us. And it also processes itself and leaves our body. The more we want to avoid it, the more it will have a grip on us. So the more we accept both the positive and the negative, the more it is better for us. So in today's exercise, we will do I'll first explain, we'll do an exercise how to balance this, accept this. So for 5 minutes, we will bring our attention to our body, and then we will be present to the negative emotions. Then the next will be 5 minutes for positive, and then the last 5 minutes will be neutral state, accepting both the negative and the positive. This meditation you can do any time of the day, and it is for 15 minutes. And today we do guided, but you can do on your own as well, because it's fairly easy. And over a period of time, when done, then you feel the change in your mental state and physical state. How do we know that we are in a good state? Our body talks to us. So when we are in good state, it's expansive and I liking it. But when I am sad, give too much of negative emotions, there's no balance, then I feel contracted. Yeah, so you know it through your body, what mental state you are in. Yeah, so we start the exercise. Close your eyes. Spine erect. Erect spine helps in flow of energy throughout the body. Your hands facing the ceiling on the knees, and your legs are, if you're sitting in a chair, must be touching the ground for grounding, or folded as in Sukhasana. Bring your attention to your body. Bring your awareness from wherever it is back to your body. And feel wherein in your body are you feeling the negative emotions. How is your body feeling? Where is it there's a sensation? When I talk about negative emotions, sadness, grief, anxiety, stress. Just be with your body. Where is it you are feeling? And how is it you are feeling? Is it twitching? Is there a heat there? Or how is it feeling? Just be present to it. Do not run away with it, or do not release it or avoid it. Just be present to it. And say, I acknowledge you and I see you as a part of me. Acknowledge that these negative emotions are a part of you. We do not disown our own parts. We accept them. Say to these parts, I see you and I acknowledge you. You are mine. And feel it in the body. Be present to these negative emotions or feelings that you feel in the body at the moment. Just feel it, do not release it or do not do anything with it. Just feel it, just be present. It's your part. Just live with it. Just live with it. Get used to living with these parts. It is yours. Be with your negative emotions and feel it completely. Be present to where it is in your body. And now release these negative emotions and feelings with a lot of love. I see you and I acknowledge you. And now I let you go with a lot of love. Yeah. And now feel the positive emotions in your body. The euphoria, the joy, the happiness. The laughter. Be present to it. Where in body are you feeling it? And what's the sensation like? Is it cold? Is it hot? Is it giggly? What is it that you are feeling as a positive emotions in your body? And where in your body, which all places are you feeling it? Do not do anything, just be present to them. When we are busy grappling with our negative emotions, we at times also ignore our positive emotions, which are also there. So now be present to the positive emotions. They are also part of you. Acknowledge them. Tell them, I see you. I acknowledge you. You are part of me. Be with the positive emotions. Feel it fully and completely. Just be with them. Don't store it or do anything to it. Just be with them. Just like negative emotions, these are also your paths. Feel it, how it feels to be with them, to be present to them. Wherein in your body are you feeling it? And what are the positive emotions you are feeling? Make a mental note of it. Be present to your positive emotions. Do not get attached to it. Just be with them. Do not hold them. And now release this positive emotions as well. And now be in the neutral state. Experience how it feels to be in the neutral state. How is it for your body to be in the neutral state? Neither positive nor negative. Just be. Just be present to the here and now. Now you are in a neutral state and experiencing a neutral state. Allow the body to feel the neutral state and be present to the neutral state. It is neither positive nor negative, in between. How is it for the body? Allow it to experience when there's neither positive nor negative. Just be. We do not do anything with the neutral state. We just be in it. Neither we hold it nor we release it, just be in it for the experience of it. No expectation, no judgments to get something out of it. Just experience it. Experience the neutral state and be it in fully and completely. Just experience the neutral state. And now release the neutral state also. The meditation is over. Come back to the here and now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the here and now, feeling better than before. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the here and now, feeling better than before.